Hi folks, if you're needed for family photos, you can stay here. If not, hey, can you guys usher people that way and downstairs and let's go here for family photos? Like a large family photo. My girl at the door is asking everybody if they're family on the way out the door, so hopefully she'll catch them, but you can try and catch them too if you don't mind, yeah. Right here, okay, perfect.
Did it.
Okay, we've got our 2 witnesses, our officiant escaped. There he is. All right, so we're good for marriage license, whoever we need on that photo.
I stopped and asked, hey, is anyone?
Yeah.
I think we missed some people.
Okay. Maybe have Matthew make an announcement at cocktail hour. There are 2 copies. You have to sign both. This part up here is all for the officiant. Don't worry about any of that. This is the witnesses. Believe it or not, you guys are actually down here at the bottom. So write whatever you want your new name to be. Would I be able to get a small plate for the bride and groom, or is it already at their head table of appetizers? Okay, got it. Maybe it's just not enough people.